Morning, fourth years. How are you? I really hope you're well. Last lesson, you should have given me a plan on what you think you would have put in your essay question, which is choose a poem which is either sad, positive, or dramatic. Hopefully you've picked either sad or dramatic, because I really can't see how the sick rose is positive. So you would have kind of shown me what you intended to look at in paragraph 2, 3, and 4, because as you know, paragraph 1 is an intro and paragraph 5 is a conclusion. And I'm going to be looking at that. I'm going to be marking this on Monday and giving you feedback on that. So today's lesson, you're going to be looking at introductions. So I like to think about introductions as when you introduce people in life, really. Now, if I was going to introduce to you a new teacher, you would probably need to know 3 very specific things: what their name is, how long they're going to be here for, and also what they're going to teach you, what part of the course they're going to teach you. If I told you their star sign, you'd be like, okay, good to know, but why do I need that? Or if I told you what their birthday was or their favourite animal, you'd be like, it's a bit random, but okay. So it's the same with introductions in your essays. You just need a very short, specific piece of information. So what we're going to do today are 2 tasks. I would like you, number 1, to listen to my advice and introductions. Listen to that video. And number 2, take all the pieces of advice I've given and write your own introduction on the sick rose, whether it's a sad or dramatic poem. Okay, so what do you need? What needs to happen in introductions? Right, well, in introduction, you should start off by saying the name of the poet and the name of the poem. So that can be pre-learned. That's really easy. The Sick Rose is a poem by William Blake. Easy. Second of all, you need to tell me the plot of the poem. So that's not so easy, is it? Because it's a multi-layered poem. Rose could be a person, Rose could be a country, England, you know, things like that. My advice is pre-learn that. You can even borrow the one that I've written for you. Pre-learn it for the checkpoint and just put it down. Don't think about it on the day, have it in there and put it down. The third thing that your essay needs to have is an argument. Now that is the key word, whether it's sad, positive or dramatic, hopefully not positive. You have to tell me, what does sad mean and how could it be linked to this poem? Okay. And the last thing it needs is you telling me what you intend to look at. Is it imagery? Is it word choice? Is it theme? Now that last line, sometimes people write the whole essay and they go back and put the last line in right at the end because they hadn't thought of it then. It's just a way of proving to the marker, look, I've got a plan. So share your plan with me briefly. Okay, so look at my next video underneath to see how I would have approached this introduction for my question, which is choose a poem which is memorable. Hope you have a good day. I shall see you tomorrow. No, sorry, I'm writing this on I'm doing this on Sunday. So I will see you tomorrow on Monday in that live chat. But by the time you're watching this, it will already have happened. Sorry, folks, if I'm confusing you. I'm confusing myself, to be honest. Okay, well, I will have seen you by now. Bye.